So right now I'm right in the middle of it all and I'm testing how the microphone sounds. We will compare the Røde SmartLav with the Røde VideoMicro. Alright, so whereas Casey Neistat is filming with a phone, with a Canon 70D, I am filming with an iPhone. Much lighter to carry, so that is quite awesome. This is how it sounds with just the iPhone 6. Just the sound of the iPhone, no extra microphone. Right in the same position, right in the middle of it all, and now I am talking through the Røde VideoMicro. So the big microphone attached to my iPhone. Same amount of noise, same amount of people, this is how it sounds. Now, as you might be able to see, because here it is, this is how the Røde SmartLav sounds in the same conditions. Lots of people walking by, lots of noise, and this is how it sounds. The great thing with the Røde SmartLav is that I can film other people and commentate on it without really disturbing anyone, because the mic is on me while I'm filming something else. So this is how it sounds and looks on the iPhone. Yes, and people are staring at me. And now I'm back on the VideoMicro and I'm also using a fisheye lens. So now everything should look much more fun and crazy. So if you're out and about doing kind of Casey Neistat type of video blogging, well, why not use a phone with one of those microphones? And now you've heard how it sounds with the mic straight on it and with the mic on you. What do you like better? Leave a comment and tell me how you use your iPhone and maybe Røde microphones.